Hi everyone, this is John from Zoom. When you're recording an important interview or podcast, the last thing you want is a technical failure causing you to lose your recording. This is why backup recordings are so crucial. The L8 has a micro USB port, which can be used to connect to your computer to use the L8 as an audio interface to record directly into your software. Audio will be routed from all 8 inputs plus the master fader, and this can be done even while recording internally to an SD card. This will ensure that your audio will not only be saved on your computer, but it will also be saved internally on the L8's SD card as a backup, just in case there are any computer failures or other technical issues. For more information on creating your podcast, check out the other videos on our YouTube channel and go to our website, zoom-na.com. We're Zoom and we're for creators.